We're back with another market update. We're also going to take a look at some interesting projects and some news that has been going on in the space right now. So just diving straight into Magic Eden right now. As you can see, we are sitting at 180,000 in traded volume over these last 24 hours, which isn't too bad. I mean, staying around that 200k mark is pretty solid in my opinion. Some collections are seeing some nice price action as well. DGod's back over 400 Solana, which is nice to see. It's at 160. Cleanosaur's at almost 28 Solana. Elixir Ovals is up to 13.6 Solana, Lily at around 10, and one really interesting thing that has been going on recently is this Punk that you may see. Punk 7148 sitting at 10 Solana floor with over 16,000 Solana in traded volume. This basically happened from this project, the 50 Punks of Solana by like HGE and HateSwap, as well as Wormhole Crypto. They're basically bringing CryptoPunks from Ethereum over to Solana on a technical level. I'm not exactly sure how that is done, but basically they're fractionalizing each CryptoPunk on Ethereum into 1,000 pieces and bringing them over to Solana with like full IP rights and everything. So once you buy one of these 1,000 NFTs, you basically own 0.1% of this actual CryptoPunk. So far, they have only brought two CryptoPunks over to Solana in the 1561 and 7148, and they're both live on Magic Eden right now. They are both trading at a pretty solid premium as well compared to what they would be on Ethereum right now, I believe. But it does seem like they will bring a total of 50 punks over to Solana, which is really interesting. I mean, the market in general hasn't necessarily been too positive recently, but HGE is just like doing new cool stuff, which we love to see. I mean, it is bringing a lot of fun and just excitement into the market again. So I mean, I think this is really interesting personally. We did also see Simple Labs mint this previous week. They are currently sitting at 3 Solana with over 37,000 Solana in traded volume as well. So that was a pretty successful mint right there. SolGods at like 15 Solana. Overall, a lot of collections are still looking pretty decently. The crypto market is pretty stable. Bitcoin at 17.2k, Solana at 13.7, which is pretty similar to what it was last week. Frank and DGods are still in the wind. They are still getting fudded quite a lot, but hey, what's a week in Solana without DGods and Frank getting fudded? I mean, they're getting so much FUD. We're still yet to see a final announcement or decision from the team of DGods and Frank, obviously, if they will decide to move to Ethereum or not. I mean, they haven't really announced anything yet. The entire royalty discussion is also firing back up. We have heard a lot about this recently. Magic Eden recently implemented a new royalty feature, and Metaplex are still working on this as well, of course, and there are still a lot of discussions around royalties. Another really interesting thing is that the Polygon co-founder called Sandeep, I believe, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but he's basically just going ham and trying to crush Solana. He's fighting Solana like crazy. He's saying that everyone knows that Solana is in distress. He's saying that the Solana ecosystem is feeling defeated and jealous. He's also saying that Solana goes down on a monthly basis and restarted frequently and is unusable on a weekly basis. So I mean, Sandeep is going crazy, just fighting and throwing shit at Solana. Unfortunately, I wouldn't want this to happen. Personally, I would love to see the entire crypto community together, especially in this hard times in the entire space. I would love for everyone to just, you know, unite and build each other up, but that's just not the reality. These different blockchains are throwing shit at each other, especially Sandeep from Polygon just trying to destroy Solana for some reason. So obviously that's not what you like to see as someone being active in the Solana space, but it is what it is. It is at least entertainment. But anyways, moving on to a couple of upcoming mints happening this week. First of all, we actually have the collection from Degen News. The Degen News collection is minting on Magic Eden on Monday, December 12th, so tomorrow when this video was live, with a supply of 7,777 and a price of 2.5 Solana. So this has obviously been a fairly anticipated mint for quite a while. Degen News basically came out of nowhere when they launched, and they have grown to a really solid following, and obviously they just keep bringing a lot of interesting news and entertainment to the space, and they're now coming out with their own collection finally. I mean, we knew that they would come out with a collection for quite a while, but their mint is finally happening. These are some sneak peeks of their artwork. It's basically pixel art, as you can tell, so obviously pixel art is very personal preference. Personally, I'm not like the biggest fan of pixel art, but overall some of these look okay, some of them look like decent enough. But there you go, that's basically their artwork. Another pretty interesting mint happening is Cat's Yard. They are minting on the 14th of December. This is a Web3 real estate brand, resort and retreat industry, unmatched utility. Now, first of all, taking a look at their art. Personally, I actually really like this art. I think this art is really cool for PFPs. So art is definitely really good. On their website, it says that they have a supply of 7,000, but it did lower this because if we head over to the Magic Eden Launchpad, you can see that it says 3,333 cats minting for 2.3 Solana, which isn't bad in my opinion. What they're basically saying is that Cat's Yard is a multifaceted business making the first ever Web3 chain of IRL resorts. Via our network of IRL hotel chains, vacation resorts, and retreats, we have adopted a fashion-forward business model incorporating blockchain technology and digital currency into our products and services. They did also partner with DeFi District / Curse Labs. They are big into real estate as well, and they will be accepting their Louvre token for their future resorts and stuff like that. So, I mean, it is a pretty interesting concept if they're able to pull it off. I mean, we're yet to see, obviously, but overall, Cat's Yard is a pretty interesting mint happening this upcoming week that I wanted to show you guys. We do also have Tayo pilots happening soon. We don't know exactly when this is happening, but it might be happening this upcoming week. They did recently tweet this just like soon. So, I mean, it should be right around the corner. Wouldn't be surprising if they ended up minting this upcoming week. So I just wanted to share that as well. I'm not on the pilot list yet. I'm really hoping that I will get accepted before their mint, because this is obviously like a really big upcoming mint happening in the space that I'm really excited for. But anyways, there you go. Those are basically the upcoming mints I had for you guys, and a quick market update. If you enjoyed the video, smash a like, subscribe down below as always. Check out my Twitter, my Discord, and my Patreon link down below. The links to all of these projects featured in today's video is of course also down below in the description if you want to check them out further. With that said, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.